Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Mocha Swiss Roll with Chestnut Cream. Here is my dog Diamond. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Swiss roll is made of mocha-flavored chiffon cake filled with chestnut cream, topped with chestnut paste. I also decorated it with candied chestnut and some edible gold foil pieces, which I purchased from Amazon. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Frozen peeled chestnut from Asian grocery stores. I'm using Thermomix here, so pour chestnuts and sugar into it and cook for 10 minutes at speed 4 at 100 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, cook chestnut with water and sugar at medium-low heat for 5 minutes for candied chestnuts. Scoop chestnut out from syrup. You may also boil chestnuts with water for about 10 minutes at medium-low heat on stove. Add sugar, rum, cream, and butter. Cook for another 10 minutes and blend it really well into a smooth paste. Texture should be like this, with excess water evaporated. Scoop out, wrap with plastic, and refrigerate. Let's prepare the cake now. Heat up milk to melt instant coffee. Don't forget to preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Mix cocoa powder with cake flour. Separate eggs. Whisk together oil and egg yolks. Add cool down coffee mixture. Whisk together. Then sieve in the flour and cocoa powder. Mix well. Batter should be smooth and have texture like this. Beat egg whites at high speed until foamy. Add 1/3 sugar and beat until a bit thick in texture like this. Add 1/3 sugar. Beat for another 10 to 15 seconds, then add rest of sugar. Beat at high speed until soft meringue forms like this. Switch to low speed and beat until meringue reaches firm peaks like this. Beat for a few seconds at lowest speed to eliminate air bubbles. Or 1/3 meringue into batter. Fold gently using a whisk to incorporate. For Thermomix, please use the butterfly. Beat egg whites and sugar at speed 3.5 for about 4 minutes. Pour mixture into the rest of meringue. Fold to incorporate. Pour the batter back into the first bowl and use a spatula to gently fold to incorporate like this. Fold from the bottom, then cut in the center while turning the bowl. Tap the bowl on counter to remove air bubbles. Line a Swiss roll baking pan with baking tarpaulin. Pour batter in. Tap pan on counter to remove air bubbles. Or run a toothpick. Place the baking pan on another pan. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then convection bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Insert butterfly into Thermomix. Beat cream and icing sugar at speed 3 for 1.5 minutes. Add chestnut paste into the soft cream and beat for another 30 seconds. Refrigerate. Remove cake from oven. Slide cake out from cake pan onto the rack. Let cake cool for 10 minutes. While cake is still lukewarm, flip the cake onto a big piece of parchment paper. Remove the tarpaulin. Cut edge of cake far from you in 45-degree angle like this. Then cut the other 3 edges vertically. Mark a few lines slightly on this area like this, so it's easier to fold. Spread a thick layer of chestnut cream onto the cake. But with a thin layer of cream for that 1-inch space closer to you. Place a rolling pin under parchment paper to lift. Then start to roll the cake. And spin the pin while rolling the cake. Use another hand to push and press into shape. Pull the edge of parchment paper underneath to tighten the cake roll. Paste the two ends of cake with more cream like this. Cover the cake roll with parchment paper and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. To decorate, add about 30 grams of milk into chestnut paste to thin and smooth it out. Fit a piping bag with a number 234 piping tip. Try to pipe chestnut paste out. Add a bit more milk to paste if necessary. To cut the cake roll, dip a knife in hot water, then wipe it with paper towel. Cut out the two ends. Always dip knife in hot water, then wipe dry for every single cut. Pipe strings of chestnut paste repeatedly to cover the entire cake roll like this. This part takes a bit of practice. The chestnut paste has to be in the right texture, and you may need to test how much milk should be added in. Trying to cover the part I missed with more chestnut paste here should be okay now. You may also decorate slice by slice like this way before serving. Takes a bit of effort. Pipe some leftover chestnut cream on. Garnish with candied chestnut. Sprinkle with little pieces of edible gold foil to make it prettier. Looks good now. This single piece looks yummy to eat as well. The pretty and yummy Mocha Swiss Roll with chestnut cream is now ready to serve. Enjoy!